More painting today. Just started doing some of the bottom areas and the inside of the forks. That's only coat 1, so it's nowhere is up to the proper colour yet. Another 2 coats to bring it up. We're slowly but surely getting there. We've got a lot of work to do yet. The pinstriping is going to be the hardest. Well, probably the decals will be the hardest actually. I've got to reproduce them. So I'm working on that on the computer. All striping done for the white pinstriping on the frame. Pretty hard to get those curves really smooth, but perseverance. And that back one there's nice, so I've already done that one, so it's just a case of doing all the others to bring out those highlights.